And here's a couple of common problems that we see in the field when we're doing acceptance testing. And these are things that I think are, crucial for you to be aware of, to ask questions of the folks that are doing your acceptance testing. And it doesn't matter to me whether it's the manufacturer doing the acceptance testing or a third-party NETA company like ours doing the acceptance testing. There are critical points to look at. And one of them is, this is a picture of a breaker I took recently where it had been in service for probably more than a year. And they were having some nuisance trips. Once again, they weren't having arc flash issues, but they were having nuisance trips. And so we got called in to investigate that. And what we found, and I can point it out here with my pointer, hopefully everybody can see this, this ground fault setting is set to A, and without going into a lot of detail, A is the minimum setting. And on this particular breaker, that is probably only a few hundred amps of imbalance. And once again, was causing that nuisance tripping. Also very short time delay. And we can also point out that there were other things set at minimum. There's short time set at minimum, instantaneous set at minimum. So from a reliability standpoint, this breaker was not set per a coordination study. I can tell you that just by looking at it. I don't even have to see the study to know that. Because once again, the short time, instantaneous, and ground fault in theory don't coordinate with breakers downstream, once again, leading to their problem. So it's important that somebody check this. And once again, whether this was a manufacturer startup that it didn't get implemented, whether there was a third party involved, I don't know. But what I do know is that we got to make sure that these things get checked.